Which affiliate program is best affiliate program for beginners compared to Amazon affiliate program? Hi, my name is Pankaj Singh, and in this video I'm going to show you which affiliate program is best affiliate program compared to Amazon affiliate program, right? But guys, before telling this, I just want to say that guys, if you're a beginner and know nothing how to start your affiliate marketing business step by step, then down below I have put the link of my own ebook where I have revealed everything that you need to know to start your affiliate marketing business step by step. Download the digital link, go and check out. Right? So okay, now here, without any delay, which one is the best affiliate program compared to Amazon affiliate program? Guys, here one thing that you have to understand. No doubt you can make commission by promoting Amazon stuff, but their commission is very low, guys. Right? You get commission very low, guys. Right? But the program that I'm gonna talk about, where you can make money, or you can say you can make commission up to 40%. Alright, so guys, here without any delay, this program is ClickFunnels affiliate program, guys. Yes, guys, this is the program that I personally promote, guys, to make affiliate commission. And by promoting this affiliate program, you can make up to 40% commission. So it's ClickFunnels, or you can say, you can type what's your dreamcar.com. Yeah, so guys, here I'm talking about this. You can see that, guys, you can earn up to 40% monthly recurring commission, guys, right? So yes, if you want to apply for this affiliate program, ClickFunnels affiliate program, you can simply submit your information here, guys. First name, last name, email, phone number, password, confirm password, right? Same password. Then your address, city, state, zip, country, right? And then check this box and create your account. That's it, guys. This is what you need to do, guys, to become an affiliate of this ClickFunnels affiliate program, guys, right? And yes, guys, what you can do, guys, by becoming an affiliate of ClickFunnels, you can promote, initially you can promote .com secrets book, expert secrets book, traffic secrets book, right? You can promote one funnel level challenge, guys. This is one of the best training by one of the best coach in the world, Russell Brunson. So I have done this training. So guys, yes, if you are beginner and know nothing how to start your online business step by step, then yes, you can join this one funnel level challenge training. Down below I have put the link, you can go and check out, right? And there is another 30days.com training that you can go and watch, right? And yes, guys, here one thing that you have to understand, when you are a beginner, right, you just starting out promoting ClickFunnels stuff, then your commission rate will be 20%, right? But once you make $1,000 in a month in commission, then yes, your commission will be increased to 30%. You can see that, guys, right? You can see will also earn 20% commission, right? And then once you have earned $1,000 in commission in a month, you can apply to become an approved affiliate, earning 30%. You can see that, right? And yes, there is another condition. And once you make, you can say 40%, you can say 40 active ClickFunnels users under you, right? Mean to say there are, you can say 40 ClickFunnels, you can say active users. They have subscribed to ClickFunnels using your affiliate link. Then in that case, your commission will be increased to 40% commission, guys, right? So that should be in your mind, guys, right? So yes, overall, you get 40% commission. So my commission rate is 40%, right? Very frankly. So yes, guys, here you need to submit your information and then hit that button, create your account, and you are ready to promote this one of the best affiliate program for beginners, guys. That is ClickFunnels. And good thing is that, guys, they have free trainings on affiliate marketing. So yes, if you are beginner, you can go and watch their free training, that is affiliate boot camp, ClickFunnels affiliate boot camp. Don't worry, I will put the link, you can go and check out, right? So it is another training that you can go and watch, and where you can learn about affiliate marketing, right? And yes, they have very you can say helpful community, right? Or you can say Facebook groups. There you can ask your question, guys. If you get stuck, then you can ask your question in that group, ClickFunnels Avengers group, right? Let me just okay, I have to just put my information, right? So guys, simply you can just search on your Facebook ClickFunnels Awareness Group and go and submit request, and then when you are approved, you are ready to go, guys. Whenever you get stuck, you can ask your question in that group, and within 1 minute you will be seeing that there are so many people those who are giving answer to your question, guys. So this is very helpful community, guys, right? So yes, guys, this is the program, guys, that I personally promote, and you can promote if you are beginner, guys, right? And yes, if you have any questions regarding this ClickFunnels affiliate program, then down below you can ask your question. I will try my level best to answer you guys, right? So yes, guys, this is all about for today. And yes, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then go and subscribe to my channel, and down below there is also bell notification button. Go and hit that bell notification button so that you can get the notification about my upcoming training that are related to affiliate marketing, right? So yes, guys, this is all about for today, right? So thank you so much for watching. Love you. Have a nice day.